Hi, today I have another haul video for you. I received the other two items I was waiting from Anna Griffin from my purchase on HSN Craft Day, March 2nd, 2021. I also received the first AutoShip shipment from Crafter's Companion for a year of craft, so I'm going to open that one as well and show you everything in the package. Let's open them up. Okay, I have Anna Griffin Gothic 3D concentric frame die. Oh, it's a gorgeous die set. Oh, and these are the effects you can get with this die set. Gorgeous. The other one is Anna Griffin Oblong 3D concentric dies. I'm still waiting for the rest of my order from that event. Those are all Anna Griffin items which are on extended delivery. Today I received an email from HSN that I supposed to receive them till March 19. We will see. They are on extended delivery, so I hope I receive them soon. Oh, look at these rose embossings here. So pretty. I've already seen the demos for these items, but you know, it's different when you see them in person, and they look different. Sometimes they look nicer on the TV, but most of the times, at least with Anna Griffin dies, they look phenomenal when you see them in person. So these are the effect you can get with this die set. Very good. And as I mentioned, this is the first shipment from Crafter's Companion for the AutoShip of a year of craft. So let me open it and show you. Sorry about the noise. All right, this one called Family and Friends. So let me open the drawer and show you what's inside this. All right. In this drawer, we have the magazine for with new projects inside of it. I really like this. So cute. Oh, look at this bunny. Oh, there are some template here. Nice. Okay, the goodies we get in this bundle is these pretty ribbons. They are in assorted sizes. This basic shape, scalloped circle dies, a set of stamp set with new I think they covered that one in the first shipment. I don't know why they sent another one of these, but anyway, there are some new sentiments here. So I know we got Mother's Day, Father's Day, and the other one wedding day, birthday, and all these sentiments. I hope the font, at least the font, is different. I hope so. Oh, look at this. I like this stencil. There's a stencil here and this stamp set. The main reason I wanted to receive this bundle, I would say, or drawer. So gorgeous. Let me, you can see it. Okay. Of course, a set of card base and envelopes in different sizes. Oh, there is what they call it, font dies in the bundle. That's nice, right? Oh, another stencil. Oh, this is a 3D one. I know, because there are 2 or 3 of them in one package, so they are like layerable. With 3D I mean layered stencils, so very nice. Oh, there are some sentiment die cuts here. I'm glad they are white, so you can color them whatever color you want. Some pretty pattern papers. Let me show you all the patterns. Oh, this is similar to the stencil. Nice. Another template stencil. This one definitely will make a box. I think it's for it's for this Easter basket here. Cute. And last but not least, you will receive a few color cardstock. Nice colors. Yeah, that's it. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.